Alright, in this video we're going to be taking a look at slope, and in the next video we're going to be taking a look at the hillshade. So all of these things are in Special Analyst Tools, Surface, and we have seen contour previously. We also can do aspect, we can do contour list, contour with barriers, curvature, cut and fill, hillshade, observer point, slope, view shade 2, visibility. All of these things are within the Surface toolbox. So these are the surface tools, very useful tools, but I'm not going to go over all of this in this course. In this course, we're just going to see two more things, that is slope and hillshade. Okay, so let's see slope. Let's do a double click on it, import the feature we want to do. We have IDW, there we go. Now we don't need anything else. And we'll just click on OK. There we go, slope has happened here. Now we have slope here. Alright, so what slope does is, let me close off the boundary. Okay, the boundary is supposed to be gone now. Let's close it off as well. Alright, now what slope is showing us is the higher slope to the lower slope from the values here, so we can easily understand the water flow conditions, where water will be flowing from where. Okay, so that was it for slope. I'll see you in the next video with the hillshade. Thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.